In this tutorial, I'll show you how to share a Netflix account with friends. Follow these steps to set up a new profile for them on your account. Open the Netflix app on your device. You will land on the home page of the Netflix app. At the bottom of the screen, you will find different options. Head towards the option labeled My Netflix. In the My Netflix section, you will see your Netflix username. Tap on the drop-down arrow next to your username, and you will see an option labeled as Manage Profiles. You can have up to 5 profiles on a single Netflix account. If you have any unused profiles, you will see a plus icon. Tap on it. Type in the name of the person you want to share your Netflix account with and customize the profile settings as needed. And once you've entered the necessary information and customized the settings, tap on Done. That's it. You've successfully set up a new profile on your Netflix account for your friend. This process is simple and quick. All you have to do is give them your credentials to Netflix so they can join you on your account. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.